was a lovely day, nice and sunny, and I was riding to work.
Are you getting ready for tomorrow?
Yes, I am. It's Ride Your Bike to Work Day. I have taken it up a lot since moving to the city. Biking to work, it's a lot faster than taking buses. I don't have to be on the bus with the smelly, stinky street kids, which I like.